Welcome back to the Dadskillz car channel. My name's Matt, and today we're back in the Honda CRV doing a job that I've wanted to do for some time. Let me show you what I've got. So, I've been shopping online again, much to my wife's disdain, and we have ourselves a nice new leather gaiter for the gear stick, and this is actually proper leather, unlike the gaiter that we've got on at the moment. We've also got a 3-piece gear knob. Now, this is an eBay job, and I do believe this took some time to come because it came from Bulgaria, which is a bit weird. How long this will last for, I don't know, but it does look better than what we've got. We've got 3 pieces to this, which kind of all slots together like that. Then we've got the ring goes on there, but it's got, I don't know if you can see this, it's actually come with one of these little things broken. Whether that makes a difference or not, I don't know. So let's get the old gear knob and gaiter off and see what we need to do. Like so many jobs we've done recently on the Honda, we have to take this thing out to be able to get to some screws that are for that. So instead of sticking a screwdriver down the side of here, let's try this thing. I'm not sure this works very well, that's why I haven't used it before, but the screwdriver just seemed to do the job, but it's just a bit annoying to have to use the screwdriver. God, it won't do it. Okay, screwdriver it is. Here we have 2 screws down the back there, and the gear knob, judging by the other one, is just a twist on and off job. If these bits down here are any good, I might actually keep those. Screws out, I'll make sure we don't lose them. Okay, I've not had this off before, so I'm not entirely sure. Oh right, we didn't need to take the screws out. Okay, fair enough. Yes, there we go. And yeah, boy. Nice, we didn't take the screws out, so I will put those back in. Those are actually stapled in. Jeez, I'm not sure how I'm going to do that. Okay, so it seems that if you push that and press it, you can then move on to the next one. In there, push and press. That little shield has now fallen off. We'll give that a little wipe down before we put that back in. So that is now detached from that. I pulled the staples out of there. I've no idea how I'm going to attach the new one. We may use cable ties. But that's that. So now we have our old gaiter and gear knob. So what I'm expecting to find in here should be a cable tie. Oh, jeez. Right, okay, that should now come off. Nice. So now if we compare our old gaiter to the new one, we can see that the new one is actual proper leather, and the old one is some sort of faux leatherette type job, so that's cool. So we're actually improving it. The old one does look a little bit better quality, so I think I'm going to go for the old one, and then that thing that's broken won't actually matter. Right, that's that bit off. Right, off comes that. Right, I'm not going to throw that away because it's obviously better quality than the new one, but it's grotty, so we'll keep that. And that inside out. I'm actually going to make the loop in that first. Make it easier. I'm going to stick it up inside. That needs to be on show, so that will be at the bottom. And there it is, sat there inside. that might stick out too much, but the cable tie that came with it, my wife handily threw that out. So let's see what we got. So inside out, turny. Oh yeah, boy. Okay, that's looking good. So now I'm going to pull through these little tabs. Now this looks like this is made specifically for this car, whereas other ones I've seen have just got a flat bottom. So they would be tricky to fit. So I've got all these little tabs in there. Let's hope it's big enough. Okay, so what after was some fiddle, we've got that on, and that looks really good. So if you're going to do this yourself, beware not to push this too far down over here. There's like a little, it's difficult to describe really without showing you. There's like a little shelf that it goes on. Shelf is maybe not the right word, but it kind of butts up to the bottom of these bits. So if you go any further, you'll find that really tricky to get that on. But we got there in the end. It is a proper fiddle. Put this on. I think that would have kept that in place anyway. That's going nowhere. But just to make sure, I haven't got a stapler that's strong enough to get through that plastic. So I've cable tied them on. Hopefully all these bits won't foul anything down here. So the next thing that has to go on there first. Jeez. Some thread to make up now. Twist the gaiter so it looks nice. Push all that in. Oh yes. Right, and so locate all that. New knob installed. Let's give it a little first, second, third, fifth, sixth, reverse. Yeah, it's got plenty of give in it. Fantastic. There we go. Cool, that looks really good. Well, I'll get that bit in and then I'll show you the final results. Ah! So there we go. I think you'll agree this is the old one. Thin, grotty old stuff. We've actually upgraded it. Maybe not so much the gear knob itself, but that is an absolute upgrade. There we go. Look at that. I think that looks fantastic. And that should last, well, at least the lifetime of the car, I would have thought now. Well, thank you for watching the Dadskillz car channel today. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think, and I'll see you again. Cheers.